say the word horizontal property regime, you might think of the horizon where units are stacked on top of each other like a condominium or an apartment complex. But in Nashville, the HPR has taken on a special meaning, and most people think of them as tall and skinnies, two homes on one lot. There are two types of HPRs. There's one that you would call a condominium HPR. It's set up where you do not own the dirt under your house, so the dirt itself is owned by the association. And then you have a PUD. In Tennessee, that stands for Planned Unit Development. And so you have a PUD style horizontal property regime where you actually own the dirt under your house. That's what many people would prefer. They'd like to know that they actually own the land where their house is situated rather than the association. If you actually own the land under your house, then you would have a different type of insurance in order to insure that property as opposed to insurance you might need if you owned a condominium. If you have an HPR, you've got two members of the association. Unlike a lot of homeowners associations, you have hundreds of people that live there. With an HPR, you have two. What happens if there's a dispute? For example, last week I got a call from two neighbors who did not know that they both called me, who were fighting over the same thing, and that is the actual boundary line between the two units. So the value that an attorney adds when it comes to an HPR primarily is the fact that an attorney is required to be involved in creating the HPR in Tennessee. The statute itself requires the attorney to sign a document that's attached to the HPR that says that the attorney has examined the HPR and that it complies with the legal requirements in the state of Tennessee. And I am familiar with Tennessee laws, specifically with respect to HPRs and real estate here in the state of Tennessee.